US President called India dead economy. Opposition raised question. US President Donald Trump called India and Russia a dead economy without any authentic data proof. International Monetary Fund and World Bank, both American-based institutions, recently said India is going to achieve 6.4 growth till 2026. USA President Donald Trump should speak on data-based because recently India ranked second in most development emerging nation of Asia. According to World Economic League table, India is fifth largest economy in worldwide GDP. Talking about the purchasing power parity, India ranks third in the world. Then most important headlines in economic aspect is India ranks fourth in nominal GDP, leaving United Kingdom and Japan behind. Now let's look about the future predictions. India is going to be fourth largest economy after USA, China and Germany by 2030 according to International Monetary Fund and World Bank. So this is very clear that USA is afraid of India's growth. Let's talk about USA and Russia growing war-like situation. President Donald Trump called Russia former President Dmitry Medvedev reason for sending nuclear submarines to Russia. Both the nations are commenting on each other steps. USA is clearly trying to bring Russia down. India being good relationship with Russia facing all repercussion in form of 25% additional tariff rates and added penalty. When it comes to Indian response in term of called dead economy, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi stated that yes, USA president is right and PM Modi need to accept it. In response to this, all we can say US president is clearly frustrated and his baseless statement is questioned to whole world. Even American people are facing the repercussion of his actions. Goods and services are highly priced for citizens there. Let's see how our nation is going to respond to this situation. Till then, thank you. See you all in next video.